Once upon a time, in a village surrounded by rolling hills, lived a little girl named Poppy. Poppy loved to explore the fields and pick wildflowers, but most of all, she loved collecting pebbles. She had a special jar at home filled with all sorts of colorful stones she had found on her adventures. One sunny afternoon, while wandering by the stream, Poppy spotted something unusual, a tiny pebble that shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. She picked it up, amazed by its beauty, and tucked it into her pocket. As Poppy walked home, she started to feel something strange. The pebble in her pocket felt warm, and suddenly, she heard a tiny voice. "Hello," the pebble whispered. Poppy gasped in surprise. "Who said that?" she asked, looking around. But it was only her and the pebble. "I'm a magic pebble," the voice said softly. "If you make a wish, I'll grant it." Poppy's eyes lit up with excitement. "Really? I wish I could fly." Suddenly, Poppy felt lighter than air. Her feet lifted off the ground, and before she knew it, she was floating. She soared above the fields, the trees, and the village, laughing with joy. She could see everything from way up high. After flying for a while, Poppy landed gently on the soft grass. She thanked the magic pebble, then carefully placed it in her special jar at home, knowing that one day she'd have another grand adventure. From that day on, Poppy always carried her magic pebble, ready for the next wish.